Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Muslims, they go to Mecca. Where do Trinidad and Tobagonians go every year like a pilgrimage? Yes. Carnival, Bacchanal, soca, chutney. Whoa. Yeah, that's our culture. One of the best cultures in the world. Imagine very few countries produce genres, and we did. Trinidad and Tobagonians, like Jamaicans. We know that St. Lucians, Grenadians, Vincentians, they have benefited from our country culture also because, hey, they have their own carnivals. And carnival is not just bacchanal. Carnival is business. Carnival is where you met your wife or your husband. Carnival is, hey, history. The things that we learn, ideas that we communicate within our songs from one generation to another. Trinidad and Tobago, we're talking about TNT, them Trinis and Tobagonians. Now, they have produced Trinidad and Tobago, some of the most intelligent people in the Caribbean and all over the world. Yes, we had a great foundation from former governments that introduced an expanded school system in TNT, and we benefited from that expanded school system. We meaning people like me, born in Port of Spain, live in Mova Labantil, live in San Juan. Yeah. And obviously those are areas where, poverty is a hell. And we know now in TNT about gun violence and criminals and what have you. And the economy in TNT obviously is not doing too well. However, the good news is a lot of our people have done well in the United States of America, in Canada, in England, and we are all over the world. We have high-ranking officials at the UN and other international agencies. Many Trinidad and Tobagonians and other Caribbean people start a lot of businesses in the U.S. Restaurants, bars, construction companies, plumbing companies, companies that deal specifically with carpentry, the trades, and obviously a lot of professionals, whether it be CPAs, economists, lawyers, doctors. We have it all in America. In fact, when Caribbean people come to America, the probability of them doing well at university is much higher than those who actually are born in America. Yes, there's data to prove this. Again, my name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. So, while, you enjoying yourself on vacation or you live there permanently in TNT, we wanted to get a message to you that the law firm of Figeroux Associates is a good law firm that not only deals with immigration issues or bankruptcy issues or foreclosure issues or matrimonial issues, but we deal with business issues if you want to start a business. And if you want to bring workers to the U.S. or businesses, we could help. Whether it be under the E2 treaty visa, where you could start a business for less than $100,000 in the U.S., and the investor's family and the investor's children could live in the U.S. also, or the EB-5 program, which is a great program, but President Trump recently introduced what we call the $5 million visa. But obviously Congress, if you don't understand the law, must introduce some of the things that President Trump has proposed. Yes. So those of you who live in TNT, or those of you who live in the U.S., and you want your family here to do business with you, or professionals who want the H-1B visa, or, as I said before, E2, EB-5, or even to get a visitor's visa, or to obviously legalize yourself in America, we are the law firm for you. One little bit of bad news is that President Trump recently said that people who are not U.S. citizens except green card holders must register. He's using a law that was introduced in 1940. So if you have friends or families in America, they may be subject to what we call registration. Does Trump want you to register to deport you? What is the consequences if you do not register? We could work with you to understand the process. And as we speak, the process will be introduced within a week or two, or probably a month. But you have to speak with a learned attorney that could help you. I've been a member of the American Immigration Lawyers Association for almost 28 years. Give us a call. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Our website for the law firm of Figeroux Associates is www.askthelawyer.us. Again, askthelawyer.us. For those of you who have a radio station or a TV station and you want to do interviews with the law firm, or you want to put this information on your radio stations, you could get that information, those audios and videos, from our office also. Peace. The best thing to do in life is to share information. And the more we do so, it is the better for us as a people. Thank you.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.